Hey guys, welcome back to another quick inform video. In today's video, we're talking about Metro by T-Mobile. So, some really good news, of course, with the iPhone SE, with them having a really good price on it. So let's get into it and see what this deal is all about. So if we scroll down, guys, you'll see it's gonna be a quick video. It's gonna be love the power, love the price, just $79.99. So for $80, guys, you can get an iPhone SE. This is a new third generation, which is the newest generation, of course. So it's got the latest iPhone SE now with 5G, of course. The lowest price in prepaid when you switch it with a qualifying plan. So pretty cool. I must say this is a really good deal. $80. I mean, this phone's like $430, guys. So it's a limited time offer in store only. So right off the bat, you cannot order the phone through their website or anything like that. You have to go into a store. Price, of course, is for the 64 gig model, and says which eligible port and ID. 5G not available in some areas. So make sure that, of course the phone's going to work in a 4G area, but just letting you know that 5G is not available everywhere. So, alright, so let's go ahead and check this out. We'll take a look at the phone and more details on it. So, iPhone SE, of course, like I said, third gen, 5G capable speed, 4.7-inch Retina HD. So everybody knows this phone basically is last year's iPhone SE second generation in 2020. So that phone, of course, came out 2 years ago. This is a new variant, model, should I say. It's the exact same thing. It'll remind you of an iPhone 8. Of course, same body, just different engine or processor as well. 12 megapixel camera plus portrait mode. It says iPhone SE 3rd gen. Lightning fast A15 Bionic chip. So that's another cool thing. This does have the newest iPhone 13 chip, which is the A15 Bionic chip with 5G, of course. Big time battery life, of course, thanks to the A15 being a better suited. But still, overall, you're not going to get a really good battery life from this phone, guys. So the battery's just tiny on this thing. Of course, 5G cellular, like I said, 4.7-inch. I mean, the phone's tiny, man. 12 megapixel wide camera, smart HDR4, photographic style portrait mode, and 4K video up to 60 frames per second. 7 megapixel FaceTime HD camera with smart HDR4. Like I said, does record 1080p video recording, doesn't look like 1080. So A15 Bionic chip for the lightning fast performance, available in Metro store. So original price, like I said, is $430. This does go for $80 when you switch, plus taxes and fees. So you will have to pay taxes and fees. Activation, I believe Metro is either $25 or $30 for activation. So just be wary about that. So, of course, like I said, in-store offer, get iPhone SE for $80 when you switch for qualifying plan. So here's the full terms. It says, if congested, the fraction of users using greater than 35 gigs of data may notice reduced speeds, and Metro customers may notice reduced speeds versus Metro due to prioritization videos in standard definition. So, yeesh. But remember, you have to switch from a competing carrier, guys. Phone does not come with a charger, so you probably want to get a charger. So, pretty cool, nice and sweet video. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and more coming your way. Thank you.